contento.
I'm very happy to welcome you here. Thank you for your visit.
Faccio io uffici.
This was made here in our own workshops.
Amare e aiutare.
To love, to serve, to help.
È l'unico momento che una persona può guardare un altro dall'alto in basso e per aiutarlo a sollevarsi.
The only time we should look down on somebody is to extend the hand of friendship to help them up, raise people up.
Ecco.
Thank you very much.
E
These are
questi
these books
sono
here.
fatto sulla
Some of my various
comunità,
writings
la
on creation,
fratellanza
on
e
human
tutto questo.
fraternity.
E questo è il messaggio della pace,
This is my message for
di
peace, World
quest'anno,
Peace Day for this year.
che sempre io lo firmo a dicembre dell'anno prima,
Normally I signed the previous December,
ma questo l'ho firmato per lei.
and I've signed this for you today.
Thank you very much indeed. Thank you. Thank you very much.
The Holy Spirit. Pray for me, don't forget.
Grazie tanto.
Much for meeting with us.
It's a pleasure. Sorry for the delay, but it is the time.
Mr. President,
How did
pleasure
you
to
say?
meet you.
How did you say? How did you do?
We greet your delegation.